Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn font family, a property which is called font family to controlling all types of fonts which you know and which HTML will supports freely available fonts you can write very simply. Using style tags, very simply and easily add the property called font-family to add type of font which you need to making a common fonts for your HTML pages. These fonts where the text is going to be applying for your HTML controls of paragraph, H1 tags or div elements, wherever you need to control your text making into a common, there you can apply these classes. See, I am creating a custom classes for font family. For this I am taking a same paragraph for 3. This paragraph is testing for font family. Alright, so the same paragraph I am taking 3, 1, 2 and 3. So I'm creating a class for serif font, serif, serif font. So this font, how we are going to be applying a property called font-family, the font family. So here by default you may observe all the websites, and by default in Word document or any document, the Times New Roman font is going to be defaultly, it will be read in Windows operating system. So this one, it's a group of Times New Roman. It's a text I am taking, Times New ROMAN. It's a group, and here I'm making like a, see, the font names are Times space comma, it's a groups serif, serif, and terminate. So here once we applied this serif to first paragraph class, let's see here, class is like serif. Yeah, save this and reload the page. Yeah, most probably it won't be like by defaultly this is taken for Times New Roman only, so this is not showing any big different. So let's see, one more class we'll create for another one, sans serif. Arial we can try to apply over here, which is a sans serif, like a dot SENS SERIF. The class name I have taken. Any name you can. Actually, why I'm taking the convenient name means, which is very easily we can understand. Font-family, and here like Arial, comma, and Helvetica, comma, sans serif, SENS SERIF. So terminate, save it. This sans serif class I am applying for second paragraph. So class and applying the class. Now check it, reload the page. See how differ from the first page to second page. First page, like first paragraph, is the one type of group, it's a Times New Roman, and the second one is Arial group, and it's a borders like a corners and all will be shapes are different from the first line. The third one, monospace. It's a type of one more information like a font family. So we'll take a class monospace, open and end, font-family. Here we can write Lucida Courier. So here LUCIDA, Lucida space console, and take a space, and font names are Courier space and monospace. Yeah, mono space with the terminator. This class I'm going to applying at the next paragraph. Yes, save it and reload the page. Wow, this is the paragraph it is displaying. You may observe that first one, second one and third one. So variation is very clearly it is representing here the text which we are applying for font family property to browser will understand which font the font is going to be applied with the style. So I hope it's very simple and easily you can control your text in your web page, how making beautiful of text which the font you want to display. Thank you. We'll catch you in next lecture.